Hello everyone, welcome to Naz Learning Corner. I hope that you all are doing great and having fun in learning English. If not, then you are at perfectly right place. So today we are going to talk about that how can you improve your communication skills by implementing 738 and 55 rule. This rule is a complete package that will guide you how you can become an effective speaker, how to speak like a pro, like a effective and inspirational speaker. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you one thing. हमारी लाइफ में बहुत से ऐसे स्पीकर्स होते हैं दैट वी लव टू लिसन टू देम लाइक इन माई लाइफ सुष्मिता सेन इज द वन जेनिफर विंगेट and Jim Rohn. Why these three? Because they have such an amazing and mesmerizing voices कि जब हम इनको सुनते हैं they have some, you can say, certain level of, you can say, understanding and certain rhythm in their voices. They know how to convey a message in a really captivating and in a really indulging way. They have magic in their voices. And if you are just finding my voice interesting, then it's my voice was not like this when I was in college, when I was in my school, like in school time. Like school time में मेरी voice बिल्कुल भी इस तरह की नहीं थी. I worked on my voice to make it more professional and to make it more like amazing, you know. हमारी लाइफ में बहुत से ऐसे लोग होते हैं कि या समटाइम्स हमारी लाइफ में ऐसा सिचुएशन आती है कि we want to deliver an amazing message, but because we are not conveying it in such an amazing manner, in such an incredible way, that's why the message is neglected or ignored. And there is an amazing speaker. For example, there is a situation, I'm telling you a scenario just for your understanding. Most often it happens that we have really amazing words, we have really amazing response, we have really good questions to raise, to ask, but colleague of ours got all the credit. Why? Because he asked it with confidence, with clarity, because he has clarity in his thoughts and thought. Thoughts and thought. These two balance matters a lot. आप जो भी सोच रहे हैं उसको इफेक्टिवली कन्वे करने के लिए यू शुड नो सर्टन थिंग्स. अगर आप एक अमेजिंग कम्युनिकेटर नहीं हैं, आपके लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है टू कन्वे योर मैसेज और टू कन्विंस योर क्लाइंट्स और टू कन्विंस some people. So this video will definitely help you out. Let's get into it. What is the 738 and 55 rule? This is a rule by Tony Robbins, and this is basically 7% of your words matter. Like अगर मैं अभी आपसे बात कर रही हूँ तो 7% उसमें मेरे words matter करते हैं. 38% tonality, voice tone. 38% मैटर करती है मेरी वॉइस टोन, कि मैं किस तरह से बात कर रही हूँ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मेरी आवाज़ इतनी लाउड है दैट यू गाइज आर नॉट even try to connect with me because this is so much, you can say, it's too loud. इतनी loud है कि आप मुझे सुनना बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं करेंगे. Just like जब आप constantly एक loud music सुनते हैं, you started feeling like, okay, I not be able to hear properly. It's just like I'm just damaging my eardrum. It happens. But what if my voice is too slow and I am talking in like very very low tone, even my words are not clear? You'll not love to listen to me. So 38% the tone of your voice matters, and 55% your body language. For example, if I'll just stay like this and I'm just talking and my eyes are not even, you can say, my gestures are not included in it, my hands are not included in it, what will happen? You will not love to listen or connect with me. It seems like कि मैंने कोई चीज़ रट्टा लगाई हुई है और मैं सिर्फ उसको देख कर एक चीज़ पढ़ रही हूँ. I have no emotions, I have nothing to go with it. You getting my point? So अब हम इस बारे में बात करेंगे कि 7%, 38%, 55%, इन सब चीज़ों को मिलाकर आप एक इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेटर बन सकते हैं. आप इन सब चीज़ों को अपग्रेड कैसे कर सकते हैं? 7% वर्ड्स की बात करते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, for this one you need to work on your vocabulary, your knowledge. It's just like अगर मैं कोई बात कर रही हूँ, अगर मैं आपको 738 55 रूल के बारे में बता रही हूँ and I have nothing to explain with it, अगर मुझे पता ही नहीं है कि टोनैलिटी क्या होती है, मुझे पता ही नहीं है कम्युनिकेशन क्या होती है, and I'm just talking to you, it will be useless definitely because I have no knowledge about it and I have just searched it on Google and just getting just reading through Google and I don't know how to say it, how to deliver it. I have no knowledge about it. I have no research work, right? So it will be useless. So this is really important. If you want to become an effective communicator, your knowledge should be improved, upgraded, optimized. आपका knowledge बहुत ज़बरदस्त होना चाहिए. ऐसी books read out करें. अगर आप communicator बनना चाहते हैं and you are not a reader, then it is useless. It's futile. You'll never be able to do that because a good speaker is a meticulous reader. Remember this thing. So daily basis पर try करें at least 2 to 3 pages. Try to read at least 2 to 3 pages every single day about how can you upgrade your communication skills. It will help you a lot to upgrade your vocabulary bank and also giving you the different tips, and you will be able to learn different tips because when it comes to me तो मैं डेली बेसिस पर कोई ना कोई ऐसी एक्टिविटी या कोई ना कोई ऐसी बुक रीड आउट करती हूँ जो कि एक्चुअली मेरी वोकेबलरी को, मेरे नॉलेज को इन्हांस करती है, सो दैट आई फील कॉन्फिडेंट व्हेन आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू. So you are asking any question, you can ask any question to me. I'll respond because I have knowledge. I will respond with clarity because I have both throat and thoughts clarity. दूसरी चीज़ टोनैलिटी. आप अपनी वॉइस टोन को, यू नो योर थ्रॉट इज़ जस्ट लाइक द स्ट्रिंग्स ऑफ द गिटार. अब अगर हमें नहीं पता गिटार को कैसे प्ले करना है एंड वी आर जस्ट रैंडमली you can say playing with the strings of the guitar, it will produce a noise, not a melody. You getting it? So एक song, एक beautiful, एक melodious music के लिए आपको पता होना चाहिए that how to play the sticks of the guitar. Other way you will produce a noise and it will be disastrous, it will be catastrophic. It's important that you need to control your vocals, your throat. Getting it? How can you do that? You need to do breathing practice. What is breathing practice? Every time this breathing practice actually help you a lot to control your anxiety also and to have a firm control on your voice. Like if I'm talking to you, I know that I have to raise my voice to this level and I have to just now reduce my level. You getting it? This matters a lot. How can you do that? Let's get into the point. Breathing practice, you need to inhale from your nose, deep breath, and exhale from your mouth. Let me do it for you. Like that. If you will do this practice every single day for 7 minutes for 7 days, then you will see the visible difference in your voice tones. Your voices will become more clear, more effective, and more incredible. Melodious too. Let's get into the body language. How can you improve your body language? Ab body language में different चीज़ें आती हैं. It's just like there is a person, okay, if I'll talk to myself, if I'm in a t-shirt, I'm in shorts, and I'm not blow drying my hair, my nails are not fine, I'm not feeling good. I'll never feel good when I'm not ready like this. You getting me? So I prefer to look good all the time. This is my thing that gives me confidence. So when it comes to body language, it consists of different parts. इसमें आपकी ड्रेसिंग भी आती है, इसमें आपके हैंड जेस्चर्स भी आते हैं, आपके फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस आते हैं, योर ओवरऑल लुक, यू कैन से आउटलुक. अब अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम गिविंग यू अ वेरी गुड टिप, ठीक है? Okay, if you want to become a good communicator, try to look decent. Try to wear your good, neat, and tidy clothes and stay hygienic all the time. Stay clean all the time because whenever you will actually, you can say, जब आप खुद को साफ रखते हैं, you smell good, you feel good, you feel positive, you feel confident, right? It's just like अगर आपसे smell आ रही है, आपसे पसीने की, स्वेटिंग की बहुत स्मेल आ रही है, you will definitely not be able to feel confident because you know you are feeling dirty, you are feeling messy, and your mind is also getting the same vibe. So it's really important कि अगर आप एक अच्छी body language चाहते हैं, so first of all, just wear neat and tidy clothes. I'm not saying wear any kind of luxurious clothes and like that and wear expensive perfumes. No, at least, you know, it's important that if you want to become a confident person, look good. When you look good, you will feel good. And wear those clothes in which you are comfortable. And by comfort, it doesn't mean that you will wear shorts or t-shirt. Not like this. It means in which you feel like, okay, you can carry these clothes with confidence. Then your hand gestures. Don't use too much of the hand gesture. Like if I am talking to you, I will use hand gestures a lot. Even if जब मैं इससे पहले का segment record करी थी, I was saying that okay, my body language is neutral, still my hands were like this. So I use hand gestures, but using too much of the hand gestures are not good. But at least try to use little of your hand gestures. It will give audience this thing that okay, the person is talking genuinely, not like a dummy. You're getting it? Okay. Next comes to your facial expressions. You should have a gentle smile on your face. I have this thing in my mind every time, and even on my WhatsApp bio, I just upload this thing that ingrained with positivity and gratitude. And I believe in this thing spread smiles. When you have a gentle smile on your face, it reduces the pressure on you and give positive vibes to the audience too, rather than just being on a stage with a very intense face or very complex expressions, or pressurized and overwhelmed expressions. So always try to keep a gentle smile on your face. That's all. So the techniques that I've shared with you, truly amazing. 7-38-55 रूल, ये रूल अगर आप अपनी लाइफ में इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं, आपकी कम्युनिकेशन बेस्ट हो जाएगी. एंड एवरीवन वांट कि उसके पास ऐसा पर्सन हो, ऐसा एम्प्लॉय हो जो कि एक्चुअली बेस्ट एंड इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेटर हो. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू बिकम एन इफेक्टिव एंड प्रो कम्युनिकेटर, implement these techniques. Your words, knowledge, vocabulary, tonality, breathing. Third one, your body language. Look good, feel good, inside out. When you wear confidence, then you glow differently. So wear confidence as your accessory, but don't forget to wear the actual accessories. And by accessories, it doesn't mean that wear any kind of chains or like that. It means that wear your dress in such a way, with such an elegance, that it will help you to feel good, to look good. And gentle smile on your face will do the remaining thing. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others.